My name is Daniel Grantham. I've been with the ROE Dental Laboratory for almost 18 years. I've been running the full arch department for the past 2 years, and we have something very exciting to present to you. The new boutique full arch restorations that we work on, we're trying to give the patient and the doctor the most realistic product that we can. And to do that, we really need to dive into not what's just on the surface of the tissue of a patient, the teeth, but what's underneath it, that there's roots that are underneath that tissue. And it's important for us to get across that when you have tissue over those roots, that it changes the tissue itself. There's wrinkling of the tissue that happens in between those roots, and where the tissue actually goes over the roots, it's stretched out, and a lot of times it's even lighter. There's purple colors, there's orange colors, there's red colors. It's patient to patient. That's something that we're really trying to emphasize with this boutique line, that we're creating enough samples and enough visual representations of what we can do. The challenge was in our department to see how far we could take the materials, to see how far, not necessarily push our people, but how much we could challenge them and get them invested in what they did. So we really, tried to let them have fun with it, to loosen up a little bit. Most people create best when they are having fun, when they're not being dictated. We're not saying, do this. So when we started this new line, we just wanted to start from the ground up and really letting these people in our department push the contouring of it, make something that's so exaggerated. How crazy can we get with it? We got together as a team and kind of saw what they did and picked out what was more successful. We have 11 people on our team carving these bridges, staining them, finishing them. And it's a very successful product, and we've made a lot of happy patients, and we're growing a very strong reputation as far as doctors and just the work that we do. But we wanted to see how far we could push the already great product that we're doing and to almost exaggerate it. It's a big step away from just traditional ceramic building, where you kind of knew it was going to look like. You're almost building in, like a consistency of mud, and you're layering these porcelains on. You really can't see what it's going to look like until it's done. That's not the case with the product that we use. And then we made some samples and presented those to several people, and yeah, they did a fantastic job.